Okay, now to wind the bobbin while you have the thread just sitting on the thread spool, you bring your thread around this way, loop it through there, bring it down, loop it through there, wrap it around here, and then you'll already have your thread. You know how I've showed you before, just get it kind of started to wind. And then you hit the foot pedal. And that's how you wind it. Now I'm going to show you how to move it over into the bobbin. I'm back, and as promised, I want to show you how to wind the bobbins on this machine. This is the bobbin case where the bobbin goes, in this little flap right here. And when you put your bobbin in, this finger goes up at the top, and then your thread needs to come out and go up under that bar. See that bar right there? Bring your thread out. And the manual shows you pictures of that. I mean, it's no big deal, but I just wanted to show that to you. Okay, now to thread the bobbin with the machine already threaded, you do have to unthread the needle. And I'm going to go ahead and use this same. Hopefully it won't tangle up the thread. I don't usually do this. I try to have enough bobbins so I don't have to double wind them like this, but for the video I'll go ahead and do this, and I won't put much thread on it. So then what we do is we're going to bring it around here, and I'm going to have to move the camera. Okay, so we get our bobbin. Ooh, it's all tangled now. So I don't like to do that. Let's kind of start again. Get your bobbin going like that, and then you clamp it right on there and wrap it. I think it's actually supposed to go down in there. No. Anyway, so you can see, I'm not going to wind it too much because I don't want to wind it on top of there like that.